Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In last video student, we have learned the data type. In this we have covered the data type of characters. Now we are going to complete the rest of two data type, that is number data type and data type. So here number data type, so you can see that a numeric data type is a data type that manually used for store a number with fraction or without fraction. So number data type are as follow. The first one thing number, second one thing decimal, third one numeric, and fourth one int, and last, that is fifth one, is float. So we'll discuss the first one, number. The number data type actually store the fixed and the floating point numbers. So you can see student here a number data type can be represented like number within round bracket p comma s, where the p is positive number, okay, range, okay, and s is scaling of that one thing. So you can see that p is precision of total number of significant decimal digit, and s is scale for number of digit from the decimal point to least significant digit. So now we are going to understand it more. So number data type is used to store integers. Integers may be a negative, positive, floating also, and the 38 digit precision also. And here the range regarding to the integers, I am to say numbers, are 1 into 10 to the power minus 32, 9.99 into 10 to the 125, 10 to the power 125, that is 32 8 significant digit. And negative numbers, minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 130 to 9.99 into 10 to the power 120 with 38 significant digit and 0 also. And now we are going to understand decimal and numeric. Decimal and numeric are data type have fixed precision and scale format. So you can see that you have to use like decimal, then square bracket over to open, then p, then after the square bracket open, and then s. And numeric same way, that is p and s, that is square bracket open within round bracket p, and then after that within square bracket s. So square bracket are the optional, I am to say it contain the option. So here p again specify the precision of the number significant digit, whereas the most significant digit are the leftmost, that is non-zero digit. Now we are going to use and understand the most important two data type of the number data type, like integer and float. Int, I mean to say integer. The int data type is an integer data type of SQL. It is used to store the integer value without any fractional part. So student, you need to just underline this, without any fractional part. That means to say no any kind of decimal point will be considered under the integer data type. Now float. Float data type actually it is used to store the number with fractional part, that means to say real number along with real number also. Okay, the following table gives the possible numeric data type in different database management system. So you can see this particular table. Here are data type like integer and float. In Microsoft Access, integer is used as number, and float used as number with single. Okay, here SQL Server, like simply int we will use for integer, and float or real for the float. Oracle, number, that is integer it will store, and number for the float Oracle both. I mean to say number Oracle in data type, I am to say Oracle database, we will use number for integer and float data type. MySQL, int for integer number and float for float decimal numbers. And PostgreSQL, int for integer and numeric for float. Now we are going to discuss about the next data type, that is date. Okay, so actually student, date is a special type of data type student, that is valid date values. I am to say it store only the valid date values, which is ranging from January 1 4712 BC to December 31 that is 9999 AD. Okay, so the date format used are in a format of YYMMDD or DD, okay, MMYY, or YYMMDD or MMDDYY. Okay, at last the DDMMYY format, and format is simply date. So student, whenever we are doing the practice with the how to create data, I am to say tables in a database, in that time we will use this data type for our use. I hope you have understand it well. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.